Guys, welcome back to the tree. Today I'm happy because I literally just got home from school. Because today while I was at school, I had a substitute today that sucked. She's nice though. While I was at school today, I got a squishy package, and I did scribble out the stuff that you guys don't need to know. You little creeps. No, I'm just kidding. You guys aren't creeps. At least I hope you're not. Okay, let's get on with opening this package. Okay, I'm not looking. Okay, it's packaged twice, so I'm not looking at the second package. Yeah, the second package isn't see-through, so that's weird. Okay, not looking. Okay, the first one I feel is... Ah! Okay, I don't know what this is called. I got this fish squishy. Let's take it out of the packaging. Whoa, this is like weird. This feels the same as the sandwich did, like the sandwich in my first video. Make sure to check it out. It's it's called the first squishy package. Make sure to check that out. This is actually pretty soft. Makes that sticky sound. Okay, so there's that one. The second one is, oh my god, this is way, this package is way better than the first one. Like, I got this, I don't know what any of these are called. I got this, squishy, like, face bum thing. They're all, like, really sticky, like, weird. But this one, it's got the lines through it. And then, not looking, mixing around. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, so this is a pink panda bun. This literally... Oh my god. Like, I can't... I'm sorry. I can't even right now. Like, I'm about to cry. Oh my god. Trust me, you guys don't want to see my crying face. It's super ugly. Oh my god, this is so soft. Okay, I've never had ever a slow rising squishy, so look at this. Like, what? Like, oh my god. Oh my god, I love this. I love it so much. Okay, next one. Oh, another sandwich. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let me take it out of its packaging. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Do. Oh, okay. There we go. It's still stuck on there. So I got this heart-eyed sandwich with the strawberry or pink filling. It's not slow rising, really. The last one should be... Oh, no! I got the same face one as last time, but luckily this one is still good, because the last one, my niece ripped off the mouth. This one has, like, different painting, though. Again, it's really hard. Okay, so, anything else? No. There's nothing else. Okay. I don't want to ruin that. I made this for my friends. It's a little chocolate thing with a cute kawaii face. Kawaii. So yeah, those are all the squishies that I got. Okay, I'm just gonna go over them one more time. I got this fish squishy. If you heard that, that was my dad. I'm sorry. I got this face thing. I got this sandwich thing with the thing heart eye thing. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Why am I talking quiet? Okay. I got this face bun. And then last, but definitely not least, is this adorable little amazing slow rising panda bun. Just look at that. Watch. Like, I can't even, like, what? I'm just gonna continue, like, just watch. Watch, it's in my hand. What? Like, oh my god. Like, I am totally never putting this on my backpack because my friends will, like, ruin it. They'll be like, ooh, rip. They're not true friends. No, I'm just kidding. All my friends would never do that. My friends love my squishies. I love this. It smells terrible. It smells like chemicals. Oh my god. I'd say this one, in my opinion, is probably the cutest one out of all of them. In looks, like colors, I really do like this one. Like, the mixture of colors is pretty cool. And then my least favorite is definitely this one because I already have it, so. And I don't really like the squishy anyway. And then I'd say this one is pretty cool. I mean, I've never had a fish squishy before. In fact, I've never really had many squishies before. And, of course, in my opinion, out of all of these, this one is the best. What? 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 Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this squishy opening package thing. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the tree tomorrow. Bye!